President of India Ramnath Kovind is a guest on the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh Victory Day on the 16th of December. Earlier, in March of the same year, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh's independence. Bangladesh's military contingent took part in India's military parade, and the Indian military contingent took part in the Victory Day Parade of Bangladesh. Officials in Bangladesh and India have repeatedly said that India's relations with Bangladesh are at an all-time high. However, when the issues between the two countries are discussed, there is a lack of depth in the relationship. India had directly intervened militarily during the birth of Bangladesh in 1971, a century ago. India wanted to weaken Pakistan into two parts and bring a part of it under its influence. Has the goal that India helped Bangladesh 50 years ago been achieved? Is India being able to implement its interests in Bangladesh today? In response to India's statement on minorities in Bangladesh, when Bangladesh is saying that Bangladesh does not see any of its citizens as a minority, the difference of opinion between the two countries becomes clear. The question is, to what extent will this difference affect the geopolitics of South Asia and the Indian Ocean region? Arindam Bagchi, a spokesman for the Indian Ministry of External Affairs, told reporters on October 14, the day after the attack on the Durga Puja shrine of Bengali Hindus in Bangladesh, that they had received reports of attacks on religious ceremonies in Bangladesh, which left them worried. On the same day, the Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina greeted the leaders and representatives of various Hindu organizations and said that India should be careful not to do anything that could affect Bangladesh and hurt the Hindu community in Bangladesh. The Indian newspaper The Telegraph reports that Sheikh Hasina was speaking at a time when the Muslim-majority Bangladesh was under the impression that the situation of Muslims in India had worsened since the BJP government came to power in 2014. The new citizenship law of the Narendra Modi government of India, which is displacing countless Bengali-speaking Muslims in Assam as illegal Bangladeshi infiltrators, and plans to resettle Hindus in other parts of the country in Bangladesh known as anti-Muslim activities. In a meeting with Gulf News in the Middle East in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates in August 2020, Bangladeshi Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina remarked that she did not understand why India had introduced citizenship laws in their country, because there was no need for it. He further said that due to this law the people of India have fallen into many problems. India's Hindustan Times reports that India's citizenship law has caused considerable unrest in Bangladesh. The newspaper said 3 Bangladeshi ministers had cancelled their visit to India after the law was passed in the Indian Parliament. The report makes it clear that the purpose of the Citizenship Act is to grant Indian citizenship to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi and Christian minorities who were forcibly deported from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan before December 2014. According to the report, Bangladeshi officials have expressed frustration over the naming of Bangladesh under the law. Relations between the two countries have been strained since 2019, with the ruling BJP leaders repeatedly calling for the repatriation of all illegal immigrants to Bangladesh through the implementation of citizenship laws in the state of Assam. The newspaper further said that Sheikh Hasina first brought the issue of citizenship law before Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New York in September of that year and for the second time in New Delhi in October.